All right, this one was a little crazy, but we had to put it on video because I figured, you know what, if one client has this problem, you probably are having this problem as well. So I was recently working with a client and we were trying to figure out why more people were not applying for their customer service role, okay? And in your situation, do you ever put out job descriptions and that you're just not getting enough people applying for it, or the people applying for it are not qualified? Well, here's what he did that was the big no-no. So we're looking through it and I said, dude, you're paying $25,000 more than the market rate is for the salary, especially in the city you're in. That's awesome. You've got 6 weeks of paid time off. You've got great health and dental plan, great benefits. You've got 401k matching. I'm going through this and man, like, this is awesome, dude. Like, this is a really good gig for somebody who wants a well-paying job and they get to work from home. Why aren't people into this? And I started looking from the bottom all the way to the top, and what I saw shocked me. Instead of putting customer service manager, which is what he should have done, what he did is he decided to get creative. And he put in the job title, Chief Customer Service Coordinator. I don't have anything against those words. Those are nice sounding words, but understand that when people are looking for jobs, okay, and again, remember, when they're looking on these job search sites, Indeed, Monster.com, LinkedIn, these are being served from a database, okay? It's gonna serve them results. They're gonna be typing in the exact title of the job that they're looking for. They're not gonna be looking for the Chief Customer Happiness, Fairy Godmother, Hairdresser to the Stars, Coordinator, whatever the hell you put in there because you want to be cute and funny, right? This is not the time to be creative. You want to show that you're a fun company in the job description or potentially in the interview process or even on your website, fine. But in the actual job title that's on the job boards, you have to make it very traditional sounding, all right? So please avoid this mistake, okay? Do not get creative in your job title roles. It ends up confusing people. You're not going to get enough inbound leads, people actually applying for the position. Second thing, you have to understand that occasionally, even if people see this job and they're like, hey, like, I get it, like, I know you're being cute with the job description, or excuse me, the job title here, but like, you know, I realize this is a customer service manager role, but you have to understand that people have a very strong identity with their title that they have at work. If they're thinking, hey, in their mind, I'm a manager, I manage people, I've ascended to a certain extent in my career, right? And you then put something else that has a different title, they lose their status in their mind, okay? Their self-identity of who they are as a person. So it's really important that you title the job correctly. Remember, oftentimes employees and even entrepreneurs as well, we have identity. It's important that we are associated with who we think we are, and it's even more important for an employee as well. All right, so clear job titles. Don't be super creative here. Just use traditional titles and then sell them in the actual job description area, in the culture of your company, the website, the interview process, you know, sell them on the opportunity there. But job description, excuse me, job title, make it really crystal clear and cut and dry. All right, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions about hiring or you've seen some crazy job titles out there, leave a comment below. It'd be fun to see some of the weird stuff you've seen over the years. Again, my name is Steve Nixon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm with StrategySamurai.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.